piercing the thick morning mist of the Apennine Mountains reveals a medieval fortress, precisely engineered to anchor high-end capital. This is a 24-square-mile microstate, existing entirely landlocked and enveloped by the borders of modern Italy. Founded in the year 301 AD, these three towers represent the oldest continuous sovereign state and constitutional republic on Earth. The republic maintains its independence by weaponizing its ancient sovereignty to outcompete the surrounding European markets. This long-term survival is the result of engineering a highly specific, legally micromanaged enclave reality. The original mountain settlement was carved out by a stonecutter named San Marino, who sought a physical sanctuary against religious persecution. In the modern era, physical battlements have been replaced by independent, sovereign fiscal policies as the ultimate protective barrier. This chart visualizes the republic's economic anchor. Benchmarking a 17% corporate tax rate, San Marino drastically outperforms neighboring tax grades. The data shifts to detail specialized residency tracks, allowing digital professionals to establish tax residency by verifying foreign income and renting local property. Regulatory arbitrage provides the modern equivalent of castle walls, defining the state as a legal safe haven wrapped in stone. However, a sovereign mountain cannot survive without importing essential logistics from the surrounding state across this concrete border. San Marino abstains from joining the European Union or the Schengen area, yet adopts the euro as its official currency. This map reveals the absence of border checkpoints, forcing de facto Schengen visa rules. Transitioning to an elevation cross-section, cost dynamics emerge. A premium lunch is 25 euros, while lower valley modern apartments cost 850 euros. Elite fiscal independence is mathematically possible only because the republic piggybacks on the stability of external European supply chains. Life on the capital peaks integrates modern business pacing with ancient cobblestone palazzos and pristine public squares. Violent crime indices are statistically negligible, allowing for profound peace of mind even in the early hours of the morning. The only minor operational friction involves maintaining basic common sense against seasonal pickpocketing during crowded summer cable car rushes. Cultural identity is anchored by national icons like the Torta Monti, a dessert composed of crisp wafer layers and hazelnut cream. National identity is preserved through historical pageants and the ceremonial defense forces of the legendary Crossbow Corps. The prime weather window lasts from May to September, when the crisp mountain climate affords maximum visibility across the Adriatic Sea. This secure, culturally rich lifestyle is the dividend of a micromanaged state, offering a southern European baseline devoid of big city chaos. San Marino is a highly functional 21st-century geopolitical loophole. It leverages ancient borders to unlock elite location arbitrage and competitive tax grids. Could your remote business strategy benefit from baselining inside an independent castle enclave? Let us know in the comments below. Next stop, São Tomé and Príncipe, the pristine twin island chocolate empire and volcanic equatorial sanctuary of West Africa. Subscribe to stay real. True modern sovereignty is no longer just about military isolation, but mastering the art of strategic, structural symbiosis.